All right, hello there. In this video, we're going to go ahead and do the selection sort with some cards just to kind of model for you how you're going to do it with your cards. So I have 5 cards that have been scrambled. I don't know the order that they're in, and I'm simply going to walk through my algorithm. I'm going to use this paperclip here to represent where I mark the lowest number that I find. And then once I do find and start sorting the cards and I have the sorted parts, I'm going to shift those up. All right, so I'm going to start. I know I haven't started, so I'm going to flip over 7. That's my lowest number. It's the lowest one that I've seen. I'm going to remember 7 and I'm going to mark it. So I know 7 is my low. I'm going to flip the next one. Is this less than 7? No. So is there another number to look at? Yes. So let's flip over. Is this less than 7? Yes. So this is the new low. So I can forget about 7. I need to remember 0 is the new low. I'm going to move this little paper clip here to mark it so I know where it's at. So I know 0 is the lowest one. I'm going to check to see, right, because there's another item to look at. Is 92 less than 0? No. Is 13 less than 0? No. So I'm done. I know that 0 is the lowest and 0 is right here. I have no unsorted one, so I'm going to move this one to the beginning of the sorted group. So I'm going to just shift it up there, and these will shift over, just so you can visually see this is the done, the beginning part. So I'm going to put it like a little bit lower there. Now I've got to start all over and repeat the same thing from here all the way to the end. So I know that's going to be my low because that's my first one. So 7. 7 is my new low. Go on to the next one. Is that less than 7? No. Is there another item? Yeah, so 92, is that less than 7? No. Is there something else to look at? Yes, there is. So let's go to it and flip it. Is that less than 7? No. So that means 7 is the lowest one, right? So I have it marked. I'm going to move it to the next one in the sorted pile. So this pile's done. I'm still moving my way through this part of the list here. I'm going to start here again. I'm going to flip over. 13 is my low. I flip over. Is 92 less than 13? No. So I flip that over. Is there something else to check? Yeah. So let's go to it. 13. Is that less than 13? In this case, this is something special. So here's how you're going to handle this situation. The easiest thing would be to say that this is not, because it's not less than, right? So you just say it's not less than 13. So you flip it, even though it's the same, and you treat this first 13, let's just peek, this first 13 is our lowest. So we already marked it and we add it to the end of that sorted list that we have going. So now we just continue again with these last 2 items in the list. We go to this first one, mark it, 92. 92 is our lowest number. So we flip over, we go over here. Is 13 less than 92? Yes, it is. So this is actually our new lowest. So we move this over. We flip over. Is there another number to check? No. So we're done, which means this number is a new low. So we add it to the end, right, of that sorted pile. Now we go to this one. It's 92. 92 is a low. Is there another number to check? No. So then we must be done. This is unsorted, but since it's the last one, it joins this group. And now if we check our work here, 0, 7, 13, 13, and 92. As you can see, they are in order, including those 2 that were the same. They end up being sequenced correctly. So this is an example of the selection sort so that you can come up with your own example, record, and have and provide as evidence